Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to block someone on Facebook Messenger. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my mobile phone. Now I'll tap on this messenger. Over here you can find multiple contacts over here. Now to block someone, first of all tap for a while on the contacts which you want to block. Now I'll choose this first one, and now over here on the bottom you can see here is block. Just tap on this and after that tap on this block. You can see it's blocking. Now you can see you have blocked these contacts. So in this way we can block someone on Facebook Messenger. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.